Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make perfect cannoli shells. First, gather your dry ingredients: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and a pinch of salt. Whisk these together in a large bowl. Next, cut in 3 tablespoons of cold butter until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Then, add 1 large egg and 1/2 cup of Marsala wine, mixing until a firm dough forms. Knead this dough on a lightly floured surface until it's smooth. Then wrap it and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. Now that your dough has rested, it's time to roll it out. The key to crispy shells is rolling the dough incredibly thin, aiming for about 1/16 of an inch. You can use a pasta machine or a rolling pin for this. Once rolled, use a 3.5-inch round cutter to create your dough circles. Gather any scraps and gently re-roll them to cut more circles. Before wrapping, lightly grease your cannoli forms. This ensures the shells won't stick after frying. With your dough circles ready, it's time to form the shells. Wrap each circle around a greased cannoli form, ensuring the dough overlaps. Use a small dab of egg white or water to firmly seal the edges together. Next, heat your frying oil to a temperature between 350 and 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully lower a few forms into the hot oil and fry them until they are beautifully golden brown and blistered, which usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes per shell. Once fried, carefully remove the hot shells from their metal forms using tongs. Be gentle, as they are delicate when warm. Transfer the shells to a wire rack to cool completely. This helps them crisp up. Before serving, you can dust the cooled shells with a sprinkle of powdered sugar. Remember, for the best texture, fill your cannoli shells with your favorite ricotta cream or other filling just before you plan to serve them, ensuring they stay wonderfully crisp.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.